Hey guys, so I just wanted to quickly tell you about a website that you can promote your affiliate products. The website is called Issuu, yeah, .com. Okay, issuu.com. It's basically like medium.com if you're familiar, or just somewhere where you can post articles. You do have to sign up. It's probably one of the easiest sign up forums I've come across. All you need is your email address and a what do you call it? Sorry guys, it's getting late here. A password. Okay. Now what you have to do, guys, is go on to some whatever product you are promoting. You want a product that they have articles on the affiliate resources. They have articles. The product that I have chosen from ClickBank is called His Secret Obsession. It's called, so go through the all the products on ClickBank or whatever network you're using, and try to get one with that among the affiliate resources they have a reviews you can use or articles you can use, okay, and then upload it into that website, isuzu.com. Now with this Secret Obsession, they had this one here. Secret Obsession is basically a relationship one, and you'll notice here on every page it's got visit our free presentation of it, and what happens is your ClickBank ID will be in that, okay, in this whole article on every page. I'm pretty sure it is. See that? So this all I have to do is basically first I have to download it, then upload it to that. So I'll download it. Doc. I've got to remember that. Doc. Hopefully I can find it for you guys quickly. So let's have a look. My device. Download. Doc. Okay, this could be tricky. So here it is here, hopefully guys, hopefully this is the right one. I've got so much stuff on my downloads. I have to clean it up some stage, but let's try this one. Let's have a look. Hopefully I've got the right one. I might have to pause if it's not and start again. Oh yep, it is. See over here. Cool. Okay, so success, your file is uploaded, and wham and bam, and just like that. So there it is, guys. Look. Now let's have a look. Whoa, pretty cool. 15 pages. Easy, create stories, save changes, view. No. We've got to. Oh, okay, yep. So this is my first time on here, guys. Just found out about this recently. So we need a title. We need a title, guys. How to fascinate a guy who thought he was not ready for a relationship. So let's just do that one. How to fascinate a guy who thought he was not ready ready for our relationship. Speed typist, as you can see. Not. Okay, description. Okay, hold on guys, hold on. Description. What do we got here? What do we got? That's that. Let's go back to ClickBank and let's get a description of this puppy. Reports, paid traffic, hooks and angles, main. So this is just. Okay, so we need what the course is all about, sort of quickly. Let's hold on. As you can see, I'm doing this on the hop. Your info, yeah. Which landing page sales, yep. Hold on. Let's guys go to his his secret hopefully we go to the main. Okay guys, so here's the main website. Let's see if we can quickly get something to grab and put it on the that'll probably do. And then let's go back over to wherever we were over here. That'll probably do. We don't want to get too carried away. Into the visibility book. Short story, book or short story. And then during conversion. Availability public, unlisted, settings, allow downloads, enable SEO. That's probably all you need to do. And this is this. Okay, yep. So we have to pick all the pages that we want to. So as you can see guys, I'm doing this pretty much. I'm doing what you guys would be doing if you were coming on here. So prior to this, you've got to go on to the create new story, and then tick the pages that you want to, and then go to editor. 1 minute read. So it looks good to me, guys. Okay guys, so finally the publish now button turned up, so we're good to go. Yeah, fairly easy process. It's just, this is my first time on here, but looks like a pretty awesome website, and you know, as you could see, fairly straightforward to use. And now once I put this article up on this website, it'll be up there forever with those links in. So another, you know, it's another avenue that you can use. This website again is called, up here, see, Issuu, Issuu. Okay, So I'll just hit this publish button and we're good to go. And so if I want to, you can also, so they give you a link to your publication that you can put up, anywhere else you want to put it, on your blogs, under your videos, or wherever. So that's pretty awesome too, and that's what it looks like on the mobile and on the desktop.